Orchard Mesa Middle School was built in 1960. My impression of the old school work environment was not really great. It's dark, the ceilings are low, there's not very much natural light, it's very broken up, and lots of little rooms here and there. So it was not a really great environment in which to learn and teach.
The best thing about this building would be that it looks amazing compared to the old school. It looks like that it could be a superhero school.
We're the first ones here. We'll be the first 8th graders, the 6th graders, and the 7th graders will be first. We even signed a giant beam. So somewhere in these walls, my name is hiding. It's just cool to know that we will be the first ones and we have to leave a legacy for all the other years to come.
It's going to give teachers such an amazing opportunity to take our teaching to the next level. We have resources we've never had before, and to be able to put those to use for our students is going to be amazing.
We want places kids can come and learn and be excited to be there and really want to take in the information and really be able to give out all of the incredible knowledge they have. Orchard Mesa has some amazing students and they deserve this building. To the community, what I'd have to say is thank you. You have made a change in an amazing group of children's lives. This is a group that has been in a building that has been run down and falling apart around them. And what they see is that their community loves them and supports them. And I think you're going to see a change in the children of Orchard Mesa as they're so excited and they're so thankful.
I feel like happy and fulfilled knowing that the community thinks, hey, this school has been up for years and years and it's done its purpose. It's taught many students and send them off to great lives. Let's give new generation a new school. It's so better. I can't thank everyone enough.
I like this school and it makes me happier when we walk into it, and from like the old school to the new school there's a big difference.
This is the students' school and we're here to support them and we're here to guide them, and they're able to come in knowing that what they're doing here matters.
They are our future and they deserve this, and they are the love of someone's life, and they deserve to be in an environment like this. The return on that investment is limitless.